Welcome all of you. Now we see the Pythagoras theorem. In this chapter we study a Pythagoras theorem. What is the statement of it? Is nothing but a when the square of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides of right angle triangle. So that first we write the statement of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the squares of remaining two sides. In this, we know that when we draw a right angle triangle, then the vertex of 90 degree, the opposite side of it is a hypotenuse, and the remaining two sides is the made the 90 degree of that triangle. So that we first draw the right angle triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. Here indicate the sign of 90 degree. Then draw to the vertex a 90 degree. This is also one of the altitude from the vertex to the 90 degree. Give the name as A, B, C, and here is D. Now, in this right angle triangle ABC, here stated that the square of AC is equal to the sum of the square of remaining segment AB square plus BC square. This is we prove by using a similarity in a right angle triangle. Here BD is a perpendicular to the AC hypotenuse. So that two triangles are formed. These are nothing but a right angle triangle. ADB and second triangle is BDC. So that we first we write it as a triangle ABC is similar to the triangle ADB, and the second one of that thing here triangle ABC is similar to the triangle BDC, and their proportions of the segments we write, then their proportionals we take the cross multiplication, and then we get as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that we first write the given as in this table. Given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and segment BD perpendicular side AC. To prove यामध्ये आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे, काय सिद्ध करायचं आहे? to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This you have to prove. Now the construction. Segment BD draw perpendicular side AC such that A dash B dash C. There is a proof. Here we write another one thing is that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Then the proof. What is the proof? We write the first as a similarity. First point, triangle ABC, similar triangle ADB, into bracket, similarity of right angle triangle, similarity of right angle triangle. Therefore, sides are proportion. Sides are proportion. Which of the segments? AB upon AD is equal to BC upon BD DB by the correspondence. DB is equal to AC upon AB. This is the first of these, the correspondence of these the sides. Then we write here the correspondence of out of which we taken as these two. That means AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Taking cross multiplication, we get as AB into AB is equal to AC into AD. That is AB square is equal to AC into AD. This is your first. This is our first statement. Now we write the similarity of the second one of a triangle, so that we remove this, all this the thing. Now in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC, similarity of right angle triangle. Therefore, sides are also proportion. Write AB segment AB upon BD is equal to second segment BC upon BC, and the third one is that AC upon BC. These two segments we draw, and here we write as a correspondence of sides. Therefore, we take as here the next two, BC upon BC is equal to AC upon BC. Now taking cross multiplication, therefore BC into BC is equal to AC into BC. This is our second, that is BC square AC into BC. This is our second statement. Adding first and second. Next point is that adding first and second. We add these two, first of that here, AB square is equal to AC into AD plus BC square is equal to AC into DC. So that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus second AC into BC. Here we take as AC as a common. In the both AC is common, we take it a common AC in bracket, remaining is AD plus BC, bracket is complete. So that what is you get? AC into AD plus DC. AD plus DC is equal to AC, therefore AC square, and we get as here, therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence the proof is that the given of that the statement in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of remaining two sides of a right angle triangle. Now we see another one of that here. Triangle ABC, this is the origin triangle, is similar to the new triangle ADB, and the second one of a triangle BDC. First statement is that triangle ABC is similar to the triangle ADB. So that we write there corresponding of the sides, so that we get as here first statement as AB square is equal to AC into AD. Now the second one of that statement is here, that we taken as the first triangle given ABC is similar to the triangle BDC. Then taking their proportions of their segments, and we write here that BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Taking cross multiplication, then we get as BC into BC is equal to AC into DC. Take this, then we get as BC square is equal to AC into DC. Then adding first and second, then we get as here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AC. Then taking cross here this, and you get as here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is so simple of these the statements we given and here, and therefore we know first is that the similarity of a right angle triangle. This is a previous theorem we studied, and so that it is applicable in this the theorem. This is the most important. Now we taken as the second one of the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Write the statement of this Pythagoras theorem, converse. In a triangle, A, the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining segment, remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल काय अर्थ सांगितलं यामध्ये कॉन्वर्स काय सांगतो पहिला आपण जो थेरम पाहिला पायथागोरसचा थेरम त्यामध्ये काय सांगितलं होतं गिवन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे मग त्या ट्रायंगलमध्ये हायपोटेनसचा वर्ग हा त्या त्रिकोणाच्या उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंच्या वर्गांच्या बेरजेच्या बरोबर असतो मग ह्या ठिकाणी आता काय केलंय तर तुम्हाला दिले काय इन ट्रायंगल तो काय राईट अँगल आहे सांगितलेलं नाही पण आपल्याला सिद्ध काय करायचं आहे इफ द स्क्वेअर ऑफ वन साइड त्या त्रिकोणातील एका बाजूचा वर्ग हा कशाबरोबर असेल सम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ द रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स म्हणजे उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंच्या वर्गांच्या बेरजेच्या बरोबर तिसऱ्या बाजूचा वर्ग असेल तेव्हा जर हे असं घडत असेल तर आपण म्हणू शकतो की दिलेला त्रिकोण हा काय आहे राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे म्हणजे काय तो काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे मग यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल एक त्रिकोण काढून घेऊ आपण घ्या त्रिकोण काढा आता पहिला राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल तुमच्या अंदाजानुसार एक त्रिकोण तयार करून घ्या त्याला नाव द्या ABC आणि दुसरा एक त्रिकोण त्या स्वरूपाचा काढून घ्या ज्यामध्ये सिमिलर ट्रायंगल असेल तो फक्त एक बदल असा करायचा की अँगल जो दुसरा त्रिकोण तयार केलेला आहे त्यामध्ये तो 90 डिग्रीचा आहे असं दाखवायचं Give the name of this. The another one triangle is PQR. दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाचं नाव काय दिलं PQR. पहिला त्रिकोण आहे आपला ABC. आता पुढे आपण महत्त्वाचं पाहणार आहोत पहा घ्या गिवन राईट डाऊन गिवन triangle ABC in triangle ABC AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the given. Now we prove that. To prove काय प्रूव्ह करायचं in here the given triangle ABC the angle formed in here divides the vertex is nothing but a right angle so that we prove that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This is we have to prove. Then we write this the proof. Then here is one of the construction of a second one of a triangle is a triangle PQR and this triangle is we draw here as a 90 degree. So that write down here construction draw triangle PQR. In that PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC, and angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. And you will get here that when the triangle in which the angle is PQR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we write Pythagoras theorem as PQ square is equal to PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Now here substitute the value. Which are the value? PQ is given as here. PQ is equal to AB. So that AB square plus QR is nothing but BC. BC square is equal to PR. This is the given, but in here AB square here is given AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So that we write here AC square is equal to PR square. Therefore, AC is equal to PR. AC is equal to PR. This is a form by the given AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And here we prove that here AB is nothing but PQ is a given. Also BC is equal to the QR is by the construction. So that from this AC is equal to PR and these two segments. This is one, and the third. We write it as like this. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle PQR by the test side test of congruency of triangle. The given two triangles are the similar. When the triangles are the similar, then therefore angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. PQR is given as 90 degree. So that we write here angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Hence prove. The angle ABC is 90 degree. That means the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Here the construction of that here, we draw such a triangle PQR in which PQ segment is equal to the AB segment and QR segment is equal to the BC segment. Okay, thank you all of us to join us.